guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy's Hair Diary. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Candice. And to all my returning subbies, what's up, y'all? Y'all know what it is. So today well, not exactly today because I had to clearly have time to get here. But guys, so here's the thing. So y'all know I love my crochets. I love new crochet style, new crochet hair. Always looking for the newest. But sometimes I like to take a break. And if I'm not wearing my own hair, I do like to wear regular bundled weave sometimes. So I was looking, because I haven't had or bought any bundled weave in a while other than from like Amazon, because I know I'm not going to leave it in for a while. But I was on the hunt, or have been on the hunt, for some good quality raw hair. So, you know, I was looking around, Googling around, Instagramming around, YouTubing around, and I came across I think her name is Queen Brittany, and she goes by QB Collections, QB Wig Collections. Make sure I got that right. Yes, QB Wig Collections. And I came across her page, and she seems so very knowledgeable and very on top of her game. Her hair, she has so many tutorial videos and so much about telling you about the hair itself, where it comes from, how the cuticles grow, how to color it, the quality of it. She rates her own hair, and I noticed she does a lot of research. So I was like, yes, and it's a black-owned business. So yes. So I did a thing, and I ordered some hair. So guys, I have not completely opened this box. So you guys are going to be unboxing this with me. Oh, look at the paper. I love the tissue paper, girl. Ooh, yes, honey. I'm going to open it. Yes. Nice. I love this. Oh yeah, this is nice. Yes, this is nice. So it comes with that. Oh, we got some. Yes, Walter. Yes, girlfriend. Yes, I like it. I love a good coupon. Yes. She has her business card as well. This is cool. Nice. Yes, you better be. You better be, Brittany. Yes, girl. Little edge brush. I like that. And then, of course, receipt of what you ordered. So let's get into it. Now, I got 2 bundles of 20-inch and a 22-inch of the Raw Indian Wavy, and also a closure. So let's see. See which one this one is. This one is the 22-inch. So let's see. And I'm going to be coloring this hair as well. I was fighting myself if I wanted to color it or if I wanted to wear it in its natural state. But I think I'm going to end up coloring it, because that's really what I wanted hair for. Because I want to go blonde a little bit. Guys, when I say this hair feels good and it smells good, it doesn't have that. She washes it. I love that she washes it and everything before she ships it out. And it really feels good, and it's thick all the way down. Yes. And this is a 22-inch, guys. So y'all know I still have my undercut right here, so I'm probably not going to just grow that back. It's just probably always going to be undercut. But so typically it would come down to probably the top of my butt if I had hair in the back, but I don't have hair in the back, so it ain't gonna come here. So since my hair starts right here, so guys, it's still long. Look at that. That's still long, and this is a 22-inch. It feels so good. And it's like a brownish color. And she said, I love that she said you can message her. And if you want like a lighter brown or darker, you can get that. She does wigs. She does all of that stuff. So I'm definitely going to be doing business again with her. And I couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to get the wavy or the curly, but I ended up getting the wavy because I kind of want to wear it more so straight than curled. And it doesn't really even have shedding. Yeah, so yes, guys. So yeah, so this is my 22-inch. And I'm going to do a video too of me coloring this hair. Because I want to do a blonde, but I just don't know exactly how I want to do it yet. And this is my 20-inch. So I got a 22, a 20, and a closure. So yes. Oh yeah, guys. This is good. This is really, really good. Oh yeah. Yeah. I can't wait to put this in my hair. Put this in my hair. And this is my closure. So let's see. The closure looks good. Y'all can see, I don't even have to do like, it's been so long since I've done a closure in my head. Oh my God. But guys, I don't know if y'all can see. This closure looks so good. I don't even have to really like pluck anything too much. Like I'm gonna go in and pluck a little bit more, but it's not, I'm glad it's not like a dense. It's not like super dense. So that is a great thing. So I'll go in and probably like bleach the knots. Bleach the knots a little bit, but yes, hunty, yes. So yes, so I'm excited. The hair feels amazing. Like I said, I cannot wait to color this and install it. And this is a 5x5, so this is gonna give me great coverage. Because I couldn't make up my mind if I want to do a middle part or a side part. So I said, let me get a closure so I can have the option to do both. Instead of just leaving my hair out and trying to wing it and that whole deal. So yes. So I'm excited. Thank you, Brittany. I look forward to wearing this hair. And I also look forward to doing more business with you. I will be purchasing some more hair because I want to try that Burmese curly. She says Burmese curly, Burmese what is it? Burmese curly. She has raw, and it's all raw hair. So it's raw Indian hair, raw Burmese hair, all the things. Anyways, you guys go check her out. I will put the name of her channel in my description box, and stay tuned for because I'm gonna do a video, like I said, of me covering this hair. So stay tuned for the next video of me covering this hair. And I don't know if y'all want to see me install it, but I probably won't do a video of me installing it, but I'll do a video of me actually styling the hair so you guys can see what it looks like. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. So I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.